All right, guys, I'm going to show you a couple of cool little Easter eggs that we've got on this 70 Chevelle here, which was actually started life rather, as a 307 Malibu Survivor car from California. How do I know? Because I was involved with this car back when it was purchased and still a Survivor kind of car. Now, of course, it's got an LT1, a bunch of other stuff in it, but I want to show you a couple things here that's really cool that still are remaining from when it was a Survivor. And one of those first things is these GM accessory mats that are on the floor here. Those are really cool, original pieces. They would have probably been bought at the dealership after the purchase of the car or as an accessory when the car was purchased. Then you've got the original carpet here. Yes, it's faded. Yes, I'm going to change it out or re-dye it. I'm actually going to use this in a very, very, very stock Survivor build that I'm doing. This car could just get brand new and that's fine, but look at how nice the fit is around the tunnel and all that. And then of course we got things apart right here, so don't judge that, but look at this. Here is the original backing on the carpet that is unique to the original carpet, and boom, how about that? The original tag, Allen Industries Incorporated, and Compton, California. And we're in Inglewood, California, so we are not far from where this was actually manufactured.